We have our Learn to Knit kits. So again, if you have someone who is, I would say like age 7 or up, that is ideal for the scarf, Learn to Knit scarf kits. They come in 3 different colors. They actually come in 4. I haven't added the 4th yet, but we have this color is dragon fruit. We have sunset, and we have timber. And what's unusual about our Learn to Knit kits is that it comes with a 100-page digital ebook. So that's something that you can download and you can put it in your phone, and you don't need to have access to the internet, and you can see step by step over 75 photos of exactly how to knit each step of the way. So it's really helpful for people who are on the go. Um, and if you just don't want a lot of video time. However, we do have video tutorials as well that comes with this, and a 7-day Learn to Knit email series where you get a video every day showing you the different aspects of knitting.